Y'all, look at this hair. First of all, this HD lace is doing what HD is supposed to do. Like, oh my goodness. The hair is so soft. It's very beautiful. She held a curl. Very beautiful. 2 thumbs up. 10 out of 10. Shout out to you, Nadula. If you would like to see how I install my wigs easy and simple, glueless, like those intro clips from this to this, I need y'all to keep on watching, all right? Because, oh my God, you're not going to want to miss this. Hey beauties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am Ash Takeoff, and this video will be about this hair, this HD lace, this closure wig, this no product, this beautifully curled. Like, oh my God, like the excitement I have from this wig. I am thoroughly in love with this wig. Perfect fit to my head. I didn't have to use no product. Like, I'm gonna do it every time, you know? Glueless check. It's glueless and it's laid. Like, HD lace ain't nothing to play with. Don't play with her. Before we get into this video, if you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to stay tuned to all the content that I will be posting and to come take off with me on this journey, because we just gonna be popping together, all right? Yeah, let's just get right into it. When it comes to installing my glueless wig, or really any wig for that matter, I do not do a ball cap method. I had to just put on a wig cap with some braids underneath or a slit back, and I just let it do what it do. I'm going to start off with cutting off that back piece of lace that comes if you want to, you know, melt it down in the back. But to tint this lace, I will be using my Even Wonder lace. It is in the shade medium brown. I have good reviews from this. I've heard a lot of people say that it gets oily, but mine doesn't. I'm doing that because just to be silly, like, this is the quick drying tinted lace, so I didn't have to blow it. Here's a look at the hair. It is in a body wave texture, and this is what the waves look like straight out of the box, y'all. Very beautiful, very luscious. Like, I just love when the hair looks so good straight out the box. And it did come lightly plucked, and this HD lace was doing what it was supposed to do. Like, look at that. Right on my head. I literally just said wow, because I love this lace. I love the quality and construction of this wig. I'm just kind of playing it to see what we're working with, but I am going to go ahead and pin back the hair so I can cut off the lace. Please make sure you don't cut too deep in your hairline. I've done that before. I did really good in this video not doing that, but I like to follow the hairline of the wig, and then from there I can adjust it. Please make sure you're cutting off those little, you know, khaki looking pieces that come on the side of your closures. It helps you to get a more seamless and flawless finish, and I do like to go over it with some of my foundation shade just to make sure it is literally looking like my skin. One hack I love to do with my closure wigs whenever I am doing no baby hair, I like to take out some of the hair near the part of the lace with the actual hair of the wig, just to kind of hot comb that down and hide that line of demarcation. Y'all, it works wonders. Like, you will not see that little line of, oh, it's a closure. No, it's going to be giving very much frontal. I did style half of the hair off camera in some light curls, and I'm just going to let y'all vibe to some music while I finish this half. So that is it. Y'all, look at this hair. First of all, this HD lace is doing what HD is supposed to do. Like, oh my goodness. The hair is so soft. It's very beautiful. She held a curl. Very beautiful. I didn't use no product to install. Like, it's glueless. Y'all know I'm on my glueless wave. And Nadula. NadulaHair never disappoints me. Do y'all see that? This hair is beautiful. Oh my goodness. It has so much body, it has so much life, like, and it curled so pretty. Thank you so much to NadulaHair. All the links on this hair will be down below, so please feel free to check it out. I am in love with this closure wig, the HD lace, the hair itself, like, yes, 2 thumbs up, 10 out of 10. Shout out to you, Nadula. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and comment down below what you guys think. I would love to chat it up with you all and just start a community. I would love to do a chit chat soon, so comment down below things that you may want to talk about, because I would love to start a chit chat series with you all. Like, let's grow together. I'm at the point in the video where I'm about to go.